So over here, you can see that I have an After Effects project, and then you can see that I have the compositions right here, just like this. So you can see that there's this sample project compositions right here. So let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and then load them out in Adobe Media Encoder. So I have this file saved. So in Adobe Media Encoder, I don't need to have After Effects open for this, but I can actually go around, click on the plus button, and then select the After Effects right here, just like this, the After Effects project file, and then click on open. So once you do that, you can see that it starts loading up the composition right here. So you can see sample project and sample project 2 right here. You can select the composition that you want and press OK, and you can see that it gets loaded up, ready for you to go ahead and export it directly. So you can go ahead and load up this one and simply go ahead and, let's say for example, load up another composition that you want as well, just like this, and have it in a queue right here, just like this. So just like with any other project now, you can go ahead and then select out, let's say for example, a format as you wish, and then simply go ahead and export it up. So that is how you can go ahead and import out After Effects composition inside of Adobe Media Encoder. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.